Gravitation Part 3. In this video we are going to discuss about free fall. In previous video we have learned universal law of gravitation. In this video we are going to discuss about free fall. Almost every object falls down on the earth. Let us know about free fall. Let's start a simple activity too easy to understand of free fall. Take a ball and throw upwards. We see the ball, it reaches certain height and starts falling on the earth. Here gravitational force attacks on the ball and it's down moves to the earth. So when an object falls towards the earth due to the gravitational force, the object is said to be in free fall. When an object is in free fall, there is no change in its direction, but magnitude of velocity its change in due to gravitational force. So any change in velocity means that is called acceleration. So objects falling towards the earth involve acceleration. That acceleration due to gravity, so acceleration due to gravity. So G is denoted acceleration due to gravity. SI unit of acceleration due to gravity, that is same as acceleration, m divided by s squared. Now we are going to see mathematical formula of acceleration due to gravity. The second law of motion derives force is equal to mass into acceleration. Let us object mass m and the acceleration due to gravity g. So F is equal to m into g. In previous topic we get F is equal to g, m into m divided by d squared. Now substitute these two equations. M into g is equal to g into m divided by d squared, or written as g is equal to g m divided by d squared. M is mass of the earth and d is distance between the object and the center of the earth. Object distance between the ball and the earth is we denoted r. R is the radius of the earth. So for the object near the earth's surface is g is equal to g m divided by r squared. We know the earth is not exact in sphere. The radius of the earth increases from the poles to the equator. Where do you think the value of acceleration due to gravity is more on earth? Equator and pole. That is, the pole is greater gravity compared to the equator. The value of the g is more or less constant on the surface of the earth or near the earth surfaces. The g is giving, small g is giving g into m divided by d squared. This is the outward of the objects, from outward of the objects. So value of g is equal to, we have to put on the values of g, m and r in this equation. We get the acceleration due to gravity value. Already we know universal gravitation constant is g is equal to 6.7 into 10 power minus 11 n squared kg power minus 2. And mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 power 24 kg. and radius of the earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Apply these values in on the equation, we get G value. (6.67 into 10 power minus 11 nm squared kg power minus 2 into 6 into 10 power 24 kg divided by 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter whole square. So now we will get the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 ms power minus 2. Finally, we are do one simple activity. We will take sheet of paper and basketball and apple. Fall 3 objects in same height. Which one is fall first? Now we will take one small ball and paper, release at some certain height. What happened there? Which one is reach the earth first? There is, we know the ball is reached the first and the paper come at some times after reaching the ball. Air resistance is because of the friction to the motion of the falling objects. So, due to some take more time in the paper compared to ball. There is no air friction. This ball and paper will reach at same time. It is. Next video we will going to discuss mass and weight.